Did you know a general once burned his own ships to force his army to win or die? In 711, a brave leader named Tariq ibn Ziyad sailed across the sea to Spain with 7,000 warriors. They were going to fight the powerful Visigothic kingdom that had 25,000 soldiers waiting for them. When Tariq's men landed at what we now call Gibraltar, he made a shocking decision. He ordered every single ship to be burned. His warriors watched in horror as their only way home went up in flames. Then Tariq spoke words that would echo through history. The sea is behind you and the enemy before you. With no choice but to fight or die, these desperate warriors became unstoppable. They crushed King Roderick's massive army at the Battle of Guadalete. The king himself died in the fighting. Without their leader, the entire Visigothic kingdom collapsed like dominoes. Tariq's bold gamble paid off beyond his wildest dreams. His army conquered most of Spain in just months, starting 800 years of Islamic rule. That's why we still call Gibraltar Jabal Tariq, which means Tariq's mountain.